Hello, my name is Warren Cartwright, and I'm the Director of Product Management for Software Support and Services here at Sierra Wireless. Today we're going to be focused on how easy it is to upgrade the firmware on your AirLink routers and gateways to ensure that you're on the latest and greatest version of our software. I'm going to log into ALMS, selecting one of my user accounts. Once you're logged in, the system is going to present you with your dashboard view. Today we're going to focus on the upgrade status widget. This is one of the default widgets that is installed on every user's dashboard. This widget is going to show us the state of our entire fleet and make it easy to upgrade our devices. So you can see in my case I have RV50s, MP70s, LX40s, and LX60s. I can see which is the reference version of the firmware by this little icon. And as in the case of the LX60 here, I can see that 4.11.1 is the latest version of firmware for that device class. I can also see that each of my devices has a little icon over here to the right. And with my LX60s, LX40s, and MP70s, I can see that all of them are completely up to date. However, my RV50s aren't in as great a shape. 8 out of my 10 systems are on the reference firmware, but I do have these 2 systems that are not on the reference firmware and are in fact quite old. So there might be a good reason for that, and if I were to click on this link here, it would take me into the monitor system. In my case, I know that they need to be updated, so let's do that, and it's really as easy as clicking on this button. It's going to open this little dialog box, give you the choice of upgrading to the latest version of firmware, or if you maybe you want to do some sort of intermediary version that you've tested in your environment, you could go through and search for that. There are some advanced settings. You can schedule it. You could set a timeout for delaying the upgrade, or you could send an email notification once the upgrade has finished. I'm just going to do a pretty standard upgrade, so upgrade to the latest version of firmware. And when I click upgrade firmware, I will see that this has launched what we call an operation. In this case, it's installing an application, the latest version of firmware on those 2 devices. Once those devices check in, they will receive the upgrade and be current and up to date.